What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Simi, and yeah, in today's video we're going to be doing this burnt orange, glittery, glowy, almost like spring, summertime look. So if you want to know what I use and how I got this makeup look, just keep on watching. Alright, so I'm going to go in with the Pure Lee's Blue Lotus Moisturizer to prep our skin. I'm going to put a tiny bit on my face and just rub that in. This is a really good moisturizer, especially if you have sensitive and dry skin. It smells amazing. And then I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in Shell Ivory. And for this, I'm going to go in with my Morphe sponge. And I'm just going to put little spots all over my face. This is one of my favorite drugstore foundation. It's not completely like matte or dewy. It's kind of like in between. It has a really nice coverage as well. And then I'm just going to go in and just start blending everything in. See, this foundation has a really nice coverage. Alright, let me do a little close up. Yeah, this is a really nice coverage. You see? And then I'm going to go in with the Morphe concealer in C 1.5. It's the concealer. This is one of my new favorite concealers. I'm going to put a little bit underneath my eyes to cover them dark circles. Put a little bit on my eyelid. And we're going to do the same thing on this eye. I don't know why I woke up this morning with like this little red patch right here. And it's so annoying. I don't know what it is. But a lot of concealer to conceal my eyes. A little bit on my nose. Right here. And some spots to conceal everything. On my chin. Covered this little guy. Another one right here. And then again, we're gonna go in and blend everything. So if you guys have any recommendations for like new products that you want me to try out, just comment down below and let me know, and I'll just go into Ulta, Walmart, and try to buy it and test it out for you guys. Or certain brands you guys want me to test out. I'm pretty much open to anything. I'm going to try to blend these little fuckers on my forehead. You know what? I don't understand how to get rid of the freaking like foundation getting in my hair. It's so fucking annoying. Alright, our concealer is all blended in. And I'm going to go in with the Rimmel London Stay Matte Powder. It's one of my favorites that I've been using lately. It's in the transparent color, so it has no tint to it. Should be transparent. And I'm going to use my Morphe brush to powder my face down with. I love taking this powder with me to work to kind of just keep my makeup fresh from creasing and getting too oily and nasty. I'm going to powder a little bit down my neck, and I'm going to powder my eyes so the concealer doesn't move and we have a clean base for the eyeshadow. I feel like this powder actually gives me a little bit of coverage. Like, it says that it's transparent, but I feel like it still gives me a pretty good coverage. Alright, since our powder is all finished, I'm going to go in with the Balm Cosmetics Nude Beach Volume 3 Nude Eyeshadow. This is the packaging, and then this is the shade for you guys. Oh, let me show you a little bit better. This is the shade. It's a nice, like a burnt orange color that I'm going to use as the base. And then I'm going to use one of my new favorite brushes. It's the Farrah brushes 3 mini tapered blending brush. And I'm going to use that and put that all over my lid to kind of create a base. I'll show you guys in a second. So we're going to go in, tap off the excess color. That was a lot of fallout. Do that again. And then I'm going to take my little mirror to help me kind of blend everything in. Alright. And then we're just going to go in and just kind of put this all over the lid. You guys can see it's such a like pretty like burnt red orange color. And then I'm just going to try to spread that all over and just kind of buff it out and blend everything. Let me grab a little bit more of that color. And then now I'm going to go in with a different brush. Let me just quickly find it. I'm going to go in with a Farrah 65E large shading brush. And I'm just going to try to buff everything out and make it a little bit more smooth. There's no pigment on this brush whatsoever. We're just kind of trying to use it as a little blending thing, I guess. Can't talk today, so excuse me in today's video. Oh yeah, that looks so much better now. See? And then I'm probably going to go in with the Morphe palette, 35 OS palette. It's the all shimmer one. This is the palette. And this is one of my favorites because it's pretty much, it's all shimmer shades. And then, I think I'm going to go in with these 2 shades right here. And take a flat brush. I'm going to use the Farrah 6 short shading brush. And I'm going to go and mix those 2 shades in. Well, I'll start probably with the lighter shade and then go in with the darker shade. And then we're just going to put that all over the lid. Ooh, that's so pretty. That looks cute. Gonna take that darker orange shade and I put that over. I'm trying to keep these like eye tutorials a little bit more simple for you guys so it's easier to recreate, since I know like a lot of people are doing like all YouTubers are pretty much doing like these like bright like color cut crease types of looks, but most of us can't really recreate that like on a daily basis. Like if you have to go to work, you can't be doing like, I mean you could because I personally do, but some people like don't like to do that. They try to keep it more natural instead of, you know, doing crazy bald looks. So this is more of like a easy bronze spring look. I'm gonna take that all the way up here and just buff that in. Try to blend everything. Let me get rid of this fallout that's underneath my eyes. That's a little bit better. And then I'm going to go back in with that smaller tapered brush. Yeah, tapered blending brush. And I'm going to go back in with this, the balm shade. I'm going to tap that in, get rid of that excess pigment. And then just kind of go over this, just to bring that color back in. Just kind of mix everything together. Alright, I think that's all done with that. And then I really want to use the STILA liquid shadow glitters. Oh, let me put everything back up. It's loud. But yeah, we're going to go in with the STILA glitter, what are they called? The glitter liquid eyeshadow things. This one is in the shade Kitten Karma. And it's a pretty like a gold auburn color. Alright, I'm going to put that all over the lid. Ooh, that's pretty. I love these STILA glitters. They're amazing. And I'm pretty sure I got the 3 of them. It was like a little pack that I got at Sephora for only $12, I think, or something like that. So that's super affordable when you can get them like on sale or like in a bundle. But yeah, I'm gonna spread this all over. That looks beautiful. Let me take a little bit more of that shade. And just try to layer that in. Cute. And I'm going to go in with that tapered brush with the Beach Volume 3 Nude Eyeshadow. And just try to blend that in a little bit so it's not so harsh. Ooh, that's cute. See? We have a nice glittery eyelid. Ooh, that'll look good with some lashes. Alright, I'm going to quickly do the other eye of the camera and then come back and show you guys the rest of the look. Like the bronzer and all that stuff. Alright guys, I'm back with the other eye. I added some lashes, a little bit of eyeliner. Let me do a little close-up for you guys. This is a really pretty, like, burnt orange, glittery eye look. It's my favorite. Alright, now let's finish the face. I'm going to go in with the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. This is the bronzer. This is my favorite drugstore bronzer. I'm going to take my e.l.f. brush to apply this. We're just going to dig in and then just kind of bronze up our face. We're not going to do, like, a harsh contour or anything. Just kind of just trying to not look so pale. Just bronze our cheeks, a little bit on the forehead. Nothing too extremely intense. Let me move my hair. Excuse my hair today, it's just a mess. I just kind of put it up and just went with it. Alright, I put a little bit. Ooh, this is pretty. I'm going to do other cheek. Just kind of bronze my skin. Add a little bit of color. A little bit on my forehead again. A little bit on my chin. I love the smell of this bronzer. It reminds me of like beach and coconuts in summer. This looks beautiful. Whew. I feel like bronzer and like eyebrows just make every single look so much better, and highlight. A little bit up here. Whew. We look so much better. And then I'm gonna go in with the Surfing Botanical Illuminating Peach Gold Blush. Mine's a little bit broken, so I'm not gonna open it and show it to you guys, but we'll use the same brush we used for the bronzer. Kind of tap in and just apply that all over. Ooh, that looks so pretty with this look. This is my favorite for like the spring and summertime because it has like that illuminating effect in it. So it looks really pretty with a highlight on top. And it just kind of brings everything together. Ooh, we look so pretty today. Put a little bit on our nose, on the chin, a little bit on the forehead. I tend to go a little bit overboard with my blush. Like I say in every video, that's okay. We look snatched. Alright, that's all for the blush. Now, for the fun part, which is the highlight, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Loose Highlighter. This is literally like one of my new favorite highlights. The name of it is Mega Glow. Oh yeah, Mega Glow. So it's a loose highlight. You open it like this, and then this is the product. But before that, I just realized I really want to use the Makeup Revolution like quad highlights that I have. This is the packaging, and it has mine's a little bit dirty and like used up, but it has 4 different like highlights in it, and I believe it was only like $10 or $12, something like that, I'm not sure. But this is supposedly like a dupe for like the Anastasia Beverly Hills like glow kits, and it's like literally like more than a half cheaper. Like, yeah, because I think the glow kits are like $45. This is only like $10 or something like that. So I'm gonna go in with this gold shade since we're going for this bronzy, glowy look. Go put a little bit on my Cupid's bow. Oh boy, that looks pretty. A little bit on my nose. Highlight our nose. A little bit on the tip of the nose. I'm going to highlight the shit out of my nose. And then I'm going to put a little bit on the, right here, on our cheekbones. Oh boy. What a nice highlight. Looks beautiful. I'm going to put a little bit on this side. Highlights just make me happy, literally. They're so pretty. Alright, we're done with this highlight. Now I'm going to go back in with the Wet n Wild, and I'm using the Morphe M510 brush for the highlight. And I'm going to go in, take a little bit, and then put a little bit on my, ooh, that's intense. And then, oh boy, your girl's going to be loving today. Look at that highlight. Hell yeah. We're highlighted. A little bit on right here. No, actually, I don't like that. Let's take that off. I don't like that too much. It's gonna, yeah, no, that's too much. Alright, that looks better. We're just gonna keep blending this. And then I want to use that same shade for the inner corner highlight. I'm going to be using the e.l.f. little, like a highlighting brush that I have. I'm going to go in with that Wet n Wild loose highlight and just put that in my inner corners. Ooh, yeah. That looks pretty. And I'm going to do the same thing for the brow bone. That looks beautiful. We're glowing today. Alright, I guess that's all for the face. Now the last step is adding the lipstick. I'm going to be using this Makeup Revolution lip liner that I've been using. Like, this is like my perfect, like a nude lip liner. I've been using it for like years now, and as you guys can tell, it's like tiny as shit now. But yeah, I'm going to like line my lips. Alright, that's for the lip liner. And then we're going to go in with my favorite, like a chocolatey nude lipstick, which is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick in Les Chocolate. And then when you open it, it has a little nice doe-foot applicator. And it smells like straight out freaking chocolate. Oh, I just want to like eat this lipstick. Alright, I'm going to apply that. For the lipstick. Alright, this is the finished look. Alright guys, this is all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and if you want to see more of me or more of my makeup looks, follow me on my social media, which is simi_violet. I'll have everything linked down below, all the products that I use and all that fun stuff. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.